What's the meaning of aqua? Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua is a Latin word that means water. It is commonly used to refer to a light blue or greenish-blue color reminiscent of seawater. In the context of interior design and fashion, aqua is often featured as a refreshing and calming accent color. In the scientific world, aqua is also used to describe the color of certain minerals and biological structures. Overall, aqua is associated with water and shades of blue-green, and can evoke feelings of tranquility, serenity, and nature.